magician's assistant in a dream. Late, running down to the